Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna and today I'm going to be showing you a super scrumptious travel cake, which is the eggless mango and coconut travel cake. It's got a super delicious mango curd in the center and the crumb is also excellent, and this is a cake which I personally love very much. For the coconut and mango travel cake, we will be using flour, butter. I have desiccated coconut. If you want, you can use fresh coconut grated too. I have curd, milk, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla essence and sugar. For the mango curd that we are going to make, we have mango pulp, sugar, cornflour, lemon juice and water. For the coating, we will be using white chocolate, which we will melt, and desiccated coconut. To the flour, I will add the baking powder and the baking soda and mix this till it is well mixed up. In a bowl, I have taken the yogurt, and to that I will add the milk. Using a whisk, I will mix it so that the curd is well mixed and it does not have any lumps. Once this is done, to this I will add the sugar and the vanilla essence and again stir this around till the sugar is dissolved. Once the sugar has dissolved, I will take the butter which I have melted and I will put that inside and then again continue mixing this. Once the butter is well mixed, to this I will add the flour that I had mixed with the baking powder and the baking soda and the desiccated coconut, and I will mix this till it is a smooth batter. So now the cake batter is ready to put into the tin. For this cake I am using the travel tin, the travel bar cake tin, which has a pipe inside. I have greased the pipe and I have put a butter paper down and greased this. To this we will add the batter. Once the full batter has been put, just level it on top so that it is a smooth top on, it's smooth on top. At this moment, if you want, we can even tap it slightly so that it's smooth and there is no air pocket inside. Now the tin is ready to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes till the cake is done. We will make the eggless mango curd for the filling inside. In the cornflour, I will add the water. Just mix this to make a slurry. In a thick bottomed pan, I will take the mango pulp. To this I will add the sugar and the lemon juice, and I will add the cornflour slurry that we had just made. Once this is done, I will mix this and we will cook this on the gas till it is a nice thick curd. So I am just heating this mixture and we are just cooking it up to make the curd. As you can see, the curd has thickened and it is ready. This I will keep in the fridge. I'll remove it in a bowl and keep it in the fridge till it is ready to be piped into the cake. This cake is done. We will loosen the rod in the center and pull this out and then unmold this cake. Sponge has been unmolded. Now I will take the mango curd and fill it into a piping bag and fill it into this hole in the center. I have filled the mango curd inside and I will pipe it inside till it is all the way through. Now the cake is ready. I have taken the white chocolate and melted this. What we will do is we will just apply a very thin layer on the cake. I'm putting a very thin layer, not too much. And then what I'm doing is I'm just going to, on the wet chocolate, I will put the coconut, desiccated coconut while the chocolate is still wet, so that it sticks to the cake. I will do this for the entire cake. Now that the cake is ready, we can have it the way it is, or we can decorate it with a little butter icing on top. Just slice this cake open and see what it is like inside. This cake is so deliciously soft and gooey. Just see the texture of the cake. It's super yummy and soft. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन, ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।